How to fix WhatsApp banned number. In this video, I will guide you step by step if your number has been banned from WhatsApp. The first thing you want to do is open up any web browser and head over to whatsapp.com. Now scroll all the way down. Here you will find the option of Contact Us. Go ahead and tap on that. Now select Contact Us here as well. Now you want to enter the mobile number which has been banned. Make sure to select your country code before that. Next, you want to enter your email address. Enter it one more time for confirmation. Next, it says, how do you use WhatsApp? Here, select your device. I'm going to select Android. Now, you need to enter your message on this box. Here, you want to type in that your number was mistakenly banned. You only use WhatsApp to message friends and family. Please review my case and lift the ban. Next, you want to tap on the next step option, then tap on send question. You should receive an email response within 24 hours. If they request more details, reply promptly. If your ban is reversed, simply restart WhatsApp and register again. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.